Hi, my name's Derek, and in this video we're going to show you a more in-depth look at the inside of the USS Hornet for the upcoming Airsoft event, Operation High Tide. Let's go take a look. This is one of 3 gangways that players will be able to go on and off the ship for their next mission. Area, which is the nautical term for the nose of the ship. We're at the very front, just below the flight deck. The flight deck is just above that ceiling, and this is going to serve as one of the respawn points for one of the teams. Make sure that we cover those things that can get shot out by babies. Everything's made out of steel. This isn't drywall. This is steel. Yeah. Everything's steel. So babies won't do a thing. We've never ever seen an airsoft game on aircraft here, so we don't know exactly what's going to happen as far as the game being fluid. Hangar bay. You can't play on this because
It's a museum.
It's like nice stuff. But this will serve as an assembly area. So this thing has a scuba tank hooked up to it that'll be shooting a Nerf rocket out of it. That'll be used in play.
Oh my gosh, that is fantastic.
I'm just fucking with you.
Oh. I'm like, you're kidding. Oh my gosh.
All this will be in play. It's a catwalk, so if you want to flank around, it's too much of a clusterfuck. Fortunately, most of the ship, it looks like this. I don't have to do anything.
It's really great though. It's such an interesting environment.
Yeah, like these rooms are my bread and butter because I don't have to do anything. Notice the lights are built. See that? These are the lights that were built when the ship was built, and they're solid. They don't need to be built.
Oh, that is cool. Is this where people are going to be bunking?
Yes. We are going till really early hours in the morning. You have the option to sleep on the ship after the day. Yeah, this is where everyone's going to be starting at. We were just at the forecastle, and now we're all the way at the other end, at the back of the ship, and this is the fantail. This is where the other two babies were. From here, you'll get access to the O1, and the O2. The entry point to the second level. One more thing you guys should know, this venue is very tight, so keep your gear tight. You want to be mindful of the bulkheads and stepping over them. Your kit should be a direct action 1-hour sustainment. You'll have breaks between each mission where you can go back to the port and rearm, re-outfit, get ready for the next mission. one of our scenarios, we'll have this will be one of the areas where the hostages will be held hostage, and the opposing team has to come rescue them. So that was a more in-depth look at the area of operation for the USS Hornet, Operation High Tide. Ticket sales are still live. You can get your ticket for any of the 3 factions. You can fight as NATO, you can fight as the Russians, you can fight as Somali pirates. Register now. This will be the event of your life.